Hey guys, so for today's video I wanted to do a little throwback Thursday, so I created this kind of pinky mauve, slightly dramatic look with the ColourPop Stone Cold Fox palette. I was in the mood to do another cool tone look and I love how this one turned out, so if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, let's dig into the Stone Cold Fox palette. I think I want to use some shades that I haven't used before, so I'm going to stick to this like pink kind of column right here. I'm going to start with the Sigma E35 and the shade Stone Age, and this shade's going to go throughout my entire crease. And I am dipping back into the palette a few times to build up this color. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Stranger right above Stone Age, and I'm going to use that to blend right below my brow to soften out the Stone Age shade. Alright, now let's go one shade deeper. So I'm going to take Gravity Hill on a Sigma E25, and I'm going to use this to deepen up the crease. Sorry, the clouds are moving all over the place, so I apologize if my lighting is changing. And I'm also going to bring that Gravity Hill shade on the outer part of my lid. And I am connecting it into the outer crease right here. Now I'm going to take the shade Mystery on my finger, and this shade's going to go on the inner part of my lid. And now I'm going to go back to my E25 and just softly blend around that shimmer. I think I want to add a little bit more depth and like intensity to this look because I just did a soft pink look with the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette, so I want this look to be a little bit more dramatic than that one. So I'm going to take the shade Obsidian on the tip of my E25. So I have it on the tip of the brush like that, and I'm just going to lightly pat that on my very outer corner. I am going to touch up that Mystery shade because I feel like it got a little too blended away. Now I'm going to go back to my E35 and just blend out here, kind of on the outer edge of my eye to make sure it's nice and smooth. I do think I want to do a wing today. So I'm going to take the KVD Tattoo Liner in Trooper. This is such a throwback. All right, let's do a wing. I'm gonna go pop on some foundation and concealer around my eye, and then we'll finish up this look. Alright, I popped on some concealer and foundation. Now let's finish up the lower lash line. I'm gonna take that first shade Stone Age on a Sigma E20, and I'm gonna run that along my entire lower lash line. So you could totally keep the lower lash line soft like that if you want to, but I think I want it a little more intense. So I'm going to take that deeper shade Obsidian on the same brush and use this to deepen up the entire lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back to the E25 with nothing on it and just blend along the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade I Dig It on a Sigma LO4, and I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner and right under my brow. I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, I popped on my mascara and lashes, and for my lashes, I'm wearing my brand The Bright Lashes in the style Lush. I wanted to go for a slightly more dramatic lash today, and I love this one. I love how this look turned out. It's like a slightly more dramatic, kind of pinky mauve look. I've really been digging these cool tones on myself lately. Like, I feel like I'm kind of in a cool tone phase. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.